Welcome back, everyone. My name is James Orton. I'm with our pre-delivery inspection on a 2026 Mazda CX-30 in Carbon Edition. And this has got the red interior, the polymetal gray exterior. And this is my first delivery of 2026. So let's take a walk around, make sure that there's no visual noise for the new customer upon entry. Let's get started. Some fingerprints right there. This is nice because the Carbon Edition in the CX-30 has the Bose sound system, one of the best sound systems in a car in this class. Water spots. All looks good along the driver's side. See a little bit of more water here. Door jambs look good. So all-wheel drive is standard, as well as the safety equipment on your CX-30, as well as all the Mazda's SUV lineup. Door jambs are looking good. Now they're starting to use less and less of the shiny black plastic, which is nice. We do have the books put together. I'm going to take the original window sticker and put that together for the new owner. Mirrors look good. Door jambs and seals look good. This we've done already, but I'm going to include the original window sticker. Final list on this was 33,030. We'll place this back in the glove box. is set up for the new owner's delivery, complete with the bow, here at Mazda of Crystal Lake on a 2026 Mazda CX-30. Great chassis, excellent all-wheel drive system, super safe, practical, good on fuel, really comfortable interior. It does have the Bose sound system, which again is really a favorite of mine in the Mazda lineup. That completes our pre-delivery inspection at Mazda Crystal Lake. My name is James Orton. Join me in the next video. I'll look forward to seeing you. Have a great day and safe travels.